Hi guys, welcome back to Codemaster Coach, your medical coding tutor. Guys, we're still continuing to build our coding toolbox, and today we are going to cover the Medicare Learning Network. Medicare Learning Network. We've covered the ICD-10-CM coding guidelines. We've talked about the CPT guidelines. And the last video I just did, we covered the CMS website and all the information that's on that website. But again, guys, continuing even on the CMS website, let me show you the Medicare Learning Network. Again, this is a resource for your coding toolbox. So again, we're still on the CMS website. Okay, last week we went in on the cms.gov website. Going down, we're down at the bottom where it says Medicare Learning. Let me get a closer view of that so you can see it. MLN homepage. So you click on that and it will bring you to the MLN homepage. And we are still on the CMS.gov website, but we're at the Medicare Learning Network. Now look what all is on this website. You have publications and media, events and training, news and updates, and continuing education. And if you go into each one of these, like with the publications and multimedia, there are publications, MLN Matters articles, and multimedia. Your events and training have calls and webcasts, free web-based training. There's some that do have a cost to them, but there's some that are free on there. Your MLN Connects newsletter, electronic mailing list, and social media. And then you can earn continuing education credits. All of this on the Medicare Learning Network on the cms.gov website. And what I've also found is when I went into one of these websites, it actually helped me when it comes to on the Medicare Learning Network, there's a global surgery booklet which provides education on the global surgery package. How many of us have had questions about global surgeries and the length of stays and how much time is involved and how to appropriately code it and assigning our correct E&Ms? Well, there's a uniform payment policy and claims processing requirements that have been established for surgical issues. And this global surgery MLP provides guidance on E&M services, where your same-day surgery or your same-day decision for surgery, or significantly separately identifiable E&M services by the same physician on the same day of a procedure. I've questioned that many times, and this manual will walk you through questions that you could have on surgeons in global surgery. Goes on down, definition of a global surgical package, components of a global surgical package, services not included in a global package. What about global surgery coding and billing guidelines? Preoperative billing period, day of procedure billing. It just goes on. Postoperative period billing, where the patient returns to the operating room for a related procedure during the post-op period, or staged or related procedures or services by the same physician during the post-op period. This manual helps you understand all of that. What about your global surgery indicators? So all of this, again, is in this manual, but you'll also, on my previous video when I walked you through the claims processing manual, if you look in chapter 12, section 40 and 40.1, you'll find all of this information on global surgical packages. But again, minor surgeries for endoscopies, It just goes on. Physicians furnishing less than the full global package. I could just spend a day. Determine the duration of a global period. And then billing requirements for global surgeries. There's so much information here, guys. Just spend time on the CMS website and you'll be amazed at what you'll find. Okay, guys? My next video, we'll be talking about the NCCI, Nationally Correct Coding Initiatives. All right, guys, thanks. I'll see you in the next one.